Here comes your pre-market summary. It's the Black Friday edition for Friday, November 25th. Futures little changed here as expected. As we head towards the weekend, the good news at this point, it's going to be a positive week. All three U.S. indexes 1+% to the upside on the week across the board. Here's how things look right now in the pre-market. 0.13 for the S&P to kick things off. 0.2 for the Dow, about 0.25% for the NASDAQ. A little bit of pressure for some of the tech stocks right now. Chinese ADRs down right across the board, not helping that for the most part. 0.25% for the TSX futures here in Toronto, back to the upside. Crude oil on a bounce here, 2% coming off a positive showing on Wednesday. Electronic trading yesterday available for CME instruments as well. Bitcoin, Ethereum, both red on the session. Hey, we'll call it flat at this point. There's the overall market, the S&P 500. As I mentioned, this is a daily chart. As I mentioned, positive week going to come to an end. Shouldn't be too much of a worry to get that in the books. We are watching a few things of interest this morning, including Tesla. There's a positive note from Citigroup, an upgrade from Citigroup to neutral from sell on Tesla with a price target increase as well. But this note of caution coming out of China, 80,000 vehicles recalled in the Chinese market from Tesla. That was out after the close a couple days ago. Yeah, here's MANU. Huge day, or huge couple of days on this buyout news or possible sale of the football club back to the upside again this morning. It's higher here pre-market. For Manchester United, we'll have a look at that. This was out after the close back on Wednesday as well. Canoo Incorporated, the CEO, picking up 4.5 million shares. Seems to be the catalyst right now. We are gapping higher for GOEV on that news. More problems possibly for Apple shares. Apple downside in the pre-market here this morning, about 1% at this point. On this news, some concerns over the Foxconn plant still. Some unrest when it comes to some of the workers in that plant. Worries about delays in iPhone production hurting Apple to the downside. Continued weakness in some of these as well. Alibaba downside this morning. We'll have a look at this as well. That Coupa software, COUP, another gap to the upside this morning on buyout rumors as well. Grab the watch list, guys. If you haven't done so, use that QR code on screen. A holiday shortened version of Trader TV Live comes your way in about 30 minutes. We're live at 8:30 on TraderTV.Live.